Meaning of diacritic.
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 Diacritic. A diacritic is a mark or a sign added to a letter or character in a written language to indicate a specific sound or tone. Diacritics are commonly used in languages such as French, Spanish, and German. They can also be found in other writing systems, such as Arabic and Vietnamese. Diacritics can change the pronunciation, meaning, or grammatical function of a word. For example, in English, the diaeresis mark is used to indicate that two adjacent vowels should be pronounced separately, as in the word cooperate.